In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add your Tesco shopping to your Viewerslogic account and earn more points. In the Viewerslogic app, click on You Can Earn More, located right below the Redeem button. On the next screen, locate Tesco and click on Login to Service. You'll now be asked to enter your Tesco Club card number. Once entered, please click on Validate and wait for the Tesco sign-in page to load. Sign in with your Tesco account by entering your credentials. After clicking Sign In, please wait a few seconds and you'll be redirected back to the app. Now, select Connected from the top right to see your connected services. Your Tesco shopping has been linked, and the status will change from pending to connected once Tesco processes the data request. No further action is needed. You will receive an email from Tesco about the data portability request as confirmation that your account has been linked to the Viewerslogic app.